and they are unwilling to live under one person throughout their life. They like to be a head of a department or the head of a company, or they want to control some special potential career in their future. Welcome back to my video today. Today I want to talk is one of the genius people, expert. Is in the chip manufacturing industrial. Now the whole world shortage of chip, vehicle, weapon, airplane, handphone, PC, so the whole world shortage. But he is a very famous people. He's actually born in Taiwan. He called Mr. Meng Xiong Liang. The Chinese name is Liang Meng Xiong. Now he's already 68 years old. You can't imagine the person already near to the retired age. But when he angry, he scold the company. The company still have to spend huge money to retain him. This is a surprise. So you can see from the three portions of his face, then you can understand these people, when they are at the old age, they will be more strong. And then even he want to design, the company also cannot let him design. Must pay him extra fee, extra bonus, extra anything, shareholder, and even give a mansion, a 22.5 million mansion, the big house to him, free one, to retain him. So you can't imagine this. If you teach your children to study in the future, how you want to choose them, how you want to identify which direction is good for them. If you choose a wrong direction, it might waste 10 years. If you choose the right direction, you can actually save more than 10 years. Sometimes this is very important. So don't choose the wrong one. If you can imagine now, after you see the video, you can see these three portions, what I mentioned. If your children got this type of portion, you must encourage him to study computer science or the technology or engineer technology. Then in future he will become a very famous people. If you put him to sport, to music, then you spoil the genius. That means actually he don't like. No. If you put him to marketing, then he even cannot sell one product for you. So it's important what type of person put in what position is actually fixed one. But how to identify from the children's time, this is very important. So please see my video to the end, then you will understand. Thank you very much. So today's topic is quite interesting. You can't imagine one person angry and want to design, and the company have spent a huge of money to retain him. So this is a higher success in life, and it's an excellent value of one's best quality. So if you are the person like that, then you no need to worry your wealth. So this is a picture of Mr. Liang Meng Xiong. It's a Meng Xiong Liang also. How you feel? This is what type of picture? Can you understand what type of shape of the face? It's a metal face, comb, a square face on top, and then the bottom is oval. That means it's comb earth shape. So this is a very special shape. So I mentioned 3 points. It's eyes, nose, and the chin. So this is important. So the metal face and comb, the earth shape one, is a person very stubborn one. Very, very stubborn. When he want to do anything, he must do until success. So he will not give up on the halfway one. So he will do it until the end. So this is very important. So we can see, actually, this one I already introduced already. This is what he take the wash, and his face is a metal comb earth shape. So his character is very stubborn, and he does work until the success, then he stop. So this is his previous boss. The left hand side is Zhang Zhongmo, and then against Samsung, Samsung's boss at the right hand side. So TSMC is a Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company. So because their genius people go to Samsung and make Samsung become very close to TSMC's technology. So TSMC is very unhappy. So this Zhang Zhongmou, Meng Zhongzhang, Mori Chang asked his lawyer to sue him, the previous employee. He said, he is my employee. His achievement is mine. Now he become my company's vice president of R&D. How can this occur? So Mr. Chang told the company lawyer that Meng Zhongzhang must be accused going to the court for compensation to TSMC. And they also accused him for infringement lawsuits. So after that, this is SMC hire him later. SMC is from China. So later we will introduce. So this is a picture again from Meng Zhongzhang. You can see 3 portions. As I mentioned to you, the eyes. You can see the eye space is a different. So the eyes is very long and very sharp, and the eyes vision is very strong. But his strong vision is never feel. That means fear. But the strong vision is actually very natural one, very good. So his eyeball, the white portion and the eyeball actually quite equal. So they never have each which one is bigger. So that means he is a smart people with a long eye. And he will be success in technology and skill. And he will be success in Korea. From the eyes we already know. And the eyes actually control 35 years to 40 years old. His right eye is seldom bigger and strong vision than the right eye. I already teach you how to identify the person's eye. When you see the picture of a person, or when you in front of the person, you after shake hand or after I say hello, you look to his face. You can directly actually look to 2 eyes. But in 1 second or few seconds, immediately you will turn to the other eye. So you will turn to the only eye, either the right eye or the left eye. Then that means the right eye is a stronger eye, it's a bigger eye, and the vision is more strong. So this is a secret of the physiognomy. Normally the master will not tell you. So I tell you this is a secret. So immediately you see this picture, then you can see, you will turn to the right eye. Then his right eye considered is bigger and stronger. So this is important. So in my middle class of the face reading, I will start very soon in June. So after this middle class, I will teach you a lot of feature, how to improve the feature on your face, how to make it success, how to improve, how to make it bigger, how to make it strong. This is important. But you only learn how to see, know you. You must how to improve. It's more important. So this is. So this, because his right eye is slightly bigger, that means he would have a very good wife. But if a right eye actually bigger than the right, in the left eye, more than 50%, that means this person actually very afraid of the wife. The wife control the whole family. But he is not. He's slightly bigger only. So that means he will have a very good wife. And this wife is as a good helper in his life. So his wife is actually Korean girl. So has been working a flight attendant. That means it's a very beautiful woman. So when graduate from the University of Dr. Grade program, Mr. Lian Mengsong actually working in USA. So when he working there, he met this colleague, the lady colleague. The lady colleague later become his wife. So at that time, she was a semiconductor engineer only. At that time. So the eyes is very important part for physiognomy. The shape of the eye can predict the person's life fortune. In the ancient Chinese, long times ago, a few thousand years ago, when they see the person's eye, They can predict their whole life already, even until the person dies. But now this technique actually lost. It's very sad to say that. I can actually return back about 20 to 30%, but others is not. But I have to combine with other organ. But in the future, they no need no. They just see the eyes, they can predict all the things come out already. So this is a very fantastic technique. So that means eyes is very important in the physiognomy. What kinds of eye can make you rich? What kinds of eye? Clear looking with powerful vision. It means one person's smart and capability. It's easy to help them to meet a noble person. They will meet their noble person or their helper. Then this person, the helper will help him. So the eyes is also called windows of soul, windows of our soul, and the windows of fortune. Two important one. So eyes blind and clear vision. That means the person have increasing good luck. And thin and long eyes means the person has wisdom and wealth. Very smart, clever. They are enterprising this type of person. They are enterprising this type of person. And they are unwilling to live under one person throughout their life. They like to be a head of a department or the head of a company, or they want to control some special potential career in their future. So this is the first portion of Mr. Liang's eye. So the second portion, as an arrow of the yellow point, is a nose. So we can understand when we see the person's face, immediately you meet the people, you can immediately see one is a nose. Because the whole face, only the nose actually protrude out. So you cannot escape the nose. Only at this moment, when there is a cover by the mask, because of COVID-19, we cover the mask. So we cannot see the nose. You only see half of the nose. So nose actually called the king of the face. The king of the face. The whole face, the king. In this top at the center. And nose also in Chinese call it the mountain. The highest mountain in China, in the center of China, the higher mountain called Taishan. So this Taishan's name is our nose. So nose is in charge of one person's life fortune and is called the place of wealth. Nose is actually represent the human nature character. I already told you before. Human nature character. Now I told you is actually nose represent the wealth and career. But the human nature character more important. So if you draw a line from the center of your head, that means the forehead, then you draw down to the center of the chin, and then you cross a line from the ear, right ear to left ear. Then this 90-degree cross, you can see the nose actually turning left, turning right. So if men turning left is they like money, is turning right they like woman, they like beautiful woman. So in case when they face a lot of money, then they will lose themselves. In case they face a very beautiful woman, they will lose themselves. So this is a weak point. So the best one is you will not turn in. But Mr. Liang is turning a little bit right to the right side. So actually he like beautiful woman. So his wife very beautiful. Is a flight attendant. Okay. So the nose actually match with the cheek bone. We have a cheek bone. This is two cheek bone. Cheek bone is when the nose matching here. The balance of the nose and the cheek bone should be equal. That means the person's nose should not higher than the cheek bone. If a person's nose higher than the cheek bone, that means he's very selfish, and he only listen to himself only. So he will not listen to other people's opinion. He will not listen. If a nose lower than the cheek bone, that means he is a person do not have opinion. he will listen to everybody. So this is a different no. And our no important when you come down is a wind of the no. In Chinese, the wind of the no is called the golden armor. Golden armor no. It's a very important one. This control the money. If a golden armor is not enough bigger, that means your whole life is not much money. But in European, their golden armor actually press in. So you cannot say the European no money. European is see the tip of the bone, the center, the front side. So this tip is higher with the fresh milk, then they will become the richest people in Europe. But in Asia, we are actually see the golden armor. So different type of people, different seeing. Very important. This very important. Don't miss it. Once you miss it, there's a difference. So all this symbol prove that Mr. Liang doesn't require to worry the wealth and money for his entire life. This time, no. So this time, no, also called Dunking God, no. Dunking God, no. Dunking God. It means he will surely meet a novel and change his life. And finally, he will succeed, become a famous people. So if we look this type of notes, then you can actually identify he can be rich in the old age already. This is nobody can change on. It's actually the fate of him. Are you understand what is a physiognomy? Face reading. How to see from the face that you can identify the person is not ordinary person. So these two portions I already mentioned you. So if you have these three type of portion, the person is not the ordinary person. You will be success in future. Although now he's not very well or not doing very well, but in future he will be success. Please subscribe my YouTube channel by pressing the subscription and ringing bell together now. And give me your valuable comment, and then I can give you the answer. You can give in the Facebook, YouTube, or LinkedIn. So thank you for you to support and watching this video until the end. Okay. So the third portion of his face is chin. Now we come into the third portion. All this essay I don't see it. Then you want to see the whole writing, you can go to my YouTube. Then you go to the document side, you can find all this. So the second part is a notes already mentioned. And the third part actually is a chin. Chin in the physiognomy, chin is not included in the 5 main sensor. What is our 5 main sensor? Eyebrow, eyes, nose, mouth, and ear. This is a 5 main. But chin also important portion in physiognomy. Why? They actually control the person's luck when they are old age. After 60 years, your luck actually is here. From 60 years onward until 90 or 100 years, the luck is there. So as referred to Liang Mengxiong's chin, he actually looked like square, but actually a big round. That means his wealth and career after the old age is very strong. Now we can look at his face again. Then you can see his chin actually look like square, but actually round. You can see, look like square, but actually round, or actually fleshy. So this is a good one. As we see before, Elon Musk's mother also got this type of chin. So when she is old age, his son already the richest man in the world, and 3 of the sons are all billionaires. Although now Elon is dropping down again, but he's still the billionaire. So this is important. So the chin part actually related to your generation, second generation, and also the old age of a person. So this is important part. You have to remember. So if we compare to the biography with the face feature of Mr. Liang, how we want to see? Because we don't have detailed information about Mr. Liang Mengxiong. life when he was young. Which primary school, which high school, which secondary school, we don't know. And what his father, mother working, we also don't know. And what city he gave born, also don't know. I am very surprising in the world. The IT people always cover their history. I don't know why. But Bill Gates is a different. The Windows Bill Gates, he open everything to everybody. So not all the IT people, but more than half of the IT people, they try to cover themselves. Because they know IT, they even can cover Google, cover Facebook, cover where all the information don't have their record. Very surprising. But for those billionaire or the minister or the prime minister or the president or the leader of the country, you can easily to see their parent, their brother and sister, where they study the primary school, where they study the high school, university, and where they stay, what is a birthday, what is a birth time, all this. But for IT, I don't know why they cover. I don't know. I just surprising. Although this is a personal affair, but I was very surprising because I have been working in GE, General Electric. I have been in United States, so I know when I in USA, 1991. That time the CEO is Little John, the CEO. His father actually working as a laborer on the railway, carry the wood and put under the railway bar, iron bar. So this style of work, his father doing the work. And he is the CEO of the GE, but he still disclosed his father's information to the public. He never feel shame. Actually, a lot of billionaires coming from the poor family and coming from the very poor family. They disclose everything. They are not feeling shame. This is not shame. You are successful. Actually, is you make it. Your father's down is alright. If your father very poor, why you feel shame? So, but this is a personal affair, so I don't want to talk more. So, but I only know Mr. Liang Meng-shung is in 1952. He's a metal mouse year. He get born in Taiwan, but I don't know when, where. In 1975, he graduated from the Cheng Kung University in Taiwan, Tainan City. He get a master degree in electrical engineer. I actually graduated in 1972, chemical engineer in the same university. So he is 1 year junior than me. 1973, he get electrical engineer BSc degree. Then he studied a master degree 2 years later. He got a master degree. So after that, he went to USA. In 1978, he received the PhD from the University of California, Berkeley. His profession is a semiconductor component physics and process technology expert. While he's working in USA, he met a girl, the colleague. So that girl later he married her. It's his wife, I already mentioned. So after Liang Meng-shung has an affair with the TSMC, he come back to Taiwan to work as a Taiwan Semiconductor Company, TSMC. His Korean wife assist him when he leaving the TSMC, assisting go to Korea, the highest university, Korean university, as a professor. And subsequently, he joined the largest semiconductor company in Korea, Samsung Group of Company, as a vice president of R&D, Research and Development Department. Mr. Liang Meng-shung's legendary career in the chip manufacturing industry, we can show at the below. In 1992, 40 years old, he joined Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. He come back from USA, TSMC. And 2006, 54 years old, he was directly under Mr. Jiang Shayi. Because these two genius people are very good people, but they often quarrel about their work. So in 2007, 55 years old, he was transferred by Mr. Jiang to the head of project department in the same company. So this made him very unhappy. So 2 years later, in 57 years old, 2009, he left Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. He resigned. Then he went to Korea to work as a professor for teaching in the Korean University. But 2 years later, in 2011, 59 years old. You can't imagine, 59 years old, a lot of people already retired. But he joined Samsung with a very high salary and served as a vice president of R&D. After Mr. Liang Meng-siong worked in Samsung, the Samsung chip process technology increased, almost approached Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC. Oh no. So therefore, the CEO of TSMC, Mr. Chang, accused Mr. Liang Meng-siong to the court and asked the court to ban him for working in Samsung in South Korea for 3 years. At the same year, TSMC also accused him for patent technology theft litigation in the court. But in 2013, 61 years old of Liang Meng-siong, the court rejected the TSMC request. That means the two requests all reject. No ban him for working in Samsung. And the lawsuits of patent technology theft litigation also not, because the patent 600 over patent actually is he discovered already. He discovered by himself when he was in TSMC. So how to say he theft litigation? His own technology, but belong to the company only. So in 2017, 65 years old, the China SMIC from China used a headhunter to hire him with a very high salary. Then he joined SMIC as a co-CEO, assistant CEO, and the executive director. So in 3 years' time, in 3 years' time, that means 2020, he actually led more than 2,000 engineers, completing the chip product from 28 mm to 7 mm. From the grade 3 generation of technology jump into the grade 5 generation technology. This not easy to do, only 3 years time. In this technology improvement as a task that the company usually take 10 years to complete this achievement in other companies, but he only used 3 years. So in 2020, 68 years old, Mr. Liang Meng-siong presented in the company finance conference that revenue from the 14 nm chip will be rising steadily and production capacity will increase double in the SMIC or the factory. So as we recall last year, 4 months ago, in 2020 December, SMIC, because of hiring the TSMC, Mr. Jiang Shangyi, remember who? Jiang Shangyi, his old boss, his enemy also, who was the enemy of Mr. Liang Meng-siong when they worked in TSMC. So the consumer did not inform Vice President Mr. Liang Meng-siong. This made Mr. Liang very angry, and he want to resign from SMIC. So the big fight, hatred between these two old colleagues of TSMC in SMIC caused a storm of interference of SMIC personal affairs, and also causing the SMIC stock plummet 7% and donated 100 billion yen disappeared on the market. So how can you tell these two types of people they cannot work together? I just want to explain to you. This is very important technique. You have to remember, when you are the boss in the future, you don't put your right hand people, left hand people. If they are this type of face to put together, then you will lose all your right hand and left hand. They will design. So it is not easy for the metal shape, square shape people working together with the metal and the oval shape people. That means the metal and earth shape and the metal shape cannot work together. And the nose, you can see their nose. Their nose is a different one. You can see Jiang Shangyi's nose. Actually, it's a lion nose. And Mr. Liang Mengxiong nose is a Danking Gut nose. Danking Gut nose is a tiger nose. So in the zoo, you see the tiger and lion. They never put together. They actually put in the different places. So this is important. Even in the jungle, the tiger and the lion, those open zoo, they also never live together. They separate one. So why? This type of people actually, because of their temper and their character, they cannot work together. They cannot work together. This is very important. So later, Mr. Liang Mengxiong did not resign. After 1 month, quiet already. And the company plumped in 7% also. Then he decided to stay in SMIC to help the company completing 7nm chip R&D research project in future. But it turns out what? In order to keep him, SMIC give a mansion, the big house, 22.5 billion yen to him, free one, and raise his salary and shareholder and all the share. Finally, Mr. Liang accept with the anchor and willing to stay in the SMIC. So is this incident fantastic? Most of the engineers and talents in the world, they work their whole life in their income together with their salary. They don't even make 10 million yen in the whole life now. But he only one anchor, then he get the 2.5 billion house. You can't imagine. If your children got this type of special aspect or feature, you must encourage them to study in engineering, scientists, computer technology, as they will become a period talent of the company or the country in future. Please subscribe my YouTube channel by pressing the subscription and ringing bell together now, and write your valuable comment. Thank you for your support, for watching this video to the end. If you got any doubt or question on face reading, you can contact me through YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or other next. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much for everybody to see my video until the end. Slightly long, sorry. But this is important. Why we want to learn physiognomy? Why we want to learn face reading? If you know your character, know what is your vision, what is your ability, what is your power, then you put in the good position or the right position, then you actually can save more than 10 years of your life. Then you can success 10 years early. So this is why the face reading is very important. I hope you can continue studying my video. I will come in the middle class of face reading training in June. Then in the middle class, I will teach you how to improve all these organs and how to collect what your organ is not good one portion. So this is very important. If you learn only how to read it, then you still cannot solve your problem. How to collect it, how to change it, this is more important. So thank you very much for everybody to see the video.